How to know if someone screenshots your Instagram DMs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first, launch your Instagram application. There is a built in feature in Instagram which will tell you if someone took your screenshot. To enable that feature, simply launch your Instagram and then go to the chat section. Simply go to the chat of the person whom you think will screenshot your message. After that, all you have to do is simply swipe up and this vanish mode will appear. Now, whenever the friend or even if you try to take screenshot of the chat, it will notify you and also the other person that the screenshot of the chat has been taken. But remember, this feature only works when you have enabled disappearing message or vanish message in your chat. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.